What if I told you that AI can not only boost your productivity, but also help you make money? Yes, you heard me right. Today, I'm going to introduce you to some of the best AI tools that are not just revolutionary in terms of technology, but also incredibly profitable. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or just someone looking to make extra income online, these AI tools will be your secret weapon. Before we dive into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on the best tools and tips to supercharge your income using AI. All right, let's get into it. The first AI tool that's making waves in the money-making world is Jasper. Jasper is an AI-powered content creation tool that helps you write high-quality blog posts, ads, social media content, and more instantly. If you're a blogger, marketer, or business owner, you know how time-consuming content creation can be. With Jasper, you can automate the writing process, saving you hours every week and allowing you to focus on other revenue-generating tasks. But here's the best part. Jasper can help you make money by creating content that drives traffic and sales. By using Jasper to generate SEO-optimized content, you can increase your organic reach, improve your rankings on Google, and ultimately boost your revenue. Whether it's for your own blog or creating content for clients, Jasper is a tool that pays for itself many times over. Next up, let's talk about Copy.ai. If writing isn't your thing, or you're just looking for faster ways to produce marketing copy, Copy.ai is your go-to solution. This AI tool generates ad copy, landing pages, and even product descriptions in seconds. Imagine being able to crank out copy that sells without having to spend hours staring at a blank screen. Copy.ai uses AI technology to craft persuasive, high-converting text that can skyrocket your sales. With this tool, you can create endless variations of ad copy, A/B test them, and find out which one brings in the most conversions. Whether you're running ads on Facebook, Instagram, or Google, Copy.ai gives you the ability to run campaigns that convert, making it an invaluable tool for any online business. Moving on, let's talk about ChatGPT. If you've been in the AI world for a while, you've probably heard of it. But did you know ChatGPT can be a money-making machine? Whether you're a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or a content creator, ChatGPT can assist you in creating high-quality content, brainstorming new ideas, generating product descriptions, writing email sequences, and more. But how can you make money with ChatGPT? Easy, by using it to create content that you can sell. You can write blog posts, ebooks, email marketing campaigns, or even social media posts for clients, all with the help of ChatGPT. It's like having a virtual assistant who works around the clock, producing content that's both high quality and efficient, enabling you to generate more income. Another great AI tool that's helping people make money is Fiverr and Upwork, platforms where freelancers can connect with clients. But here's the twist. You can use AI tools to enhance your freelance work and earn more. For instance, you can use AI-based video editing tools like RunwayML to produce professional quality videos for clients, or use Jasper to create high-converting sales copy. By leveraging AI tools, you can speed up your work process, take on more clients, and ultimately make more money without burning out. Let's take a step into the world of AI-driven stock trading with a tool like Trade Ideas. Trade Ideas uses AI algorithms to analyze stock market data and make predictions based on patterns, trends, and historical data. Instead of spending hours analyzing stock charts and researching companies, Trade Ideas can provide real-time buy and sell recommendations. This tool has been used by day traders and investors to make smarter, more informed trading decisions. What's really impressive about Trade Ideas is that it doesn't just give you signals, it also uses AI to backtest trading strategies. If you're looking to get into stock trading and want to make money without the steep learning curve, this AI tool can help you get started quickly and reduce your risk. If you're looking for a passive income stream, Neural.love is a great AI tool for creating and selling digital art. Neural.love uses advanced AI algorithms to generate high-quality art based on your preferences and inputs. You can sell this artwork as NFTs, prints, or digital downloads on platforms like Etsy or OpenAI. Whether you're an artist looking to leverage AI to expand your portfolio, or someone looking to get into the world of digital art sales, This tool provides a simple and efficient way to make money. Another underrated AI tool for making money is Substack. Substack is a platform where you can create paid newsletters. The twist? You can use AI tools like Jasper or ChatGPT to help generate the content for your newsletters. This means you can build a subscriber base, create high-quality content, and monetize your audience without spending countless hours writing. Substack allows you to charge subscribers for premium content. And with the help of AI, you can scale this up quickly and make a steady income. One more AI tool that's changing the game is CopySmith. CopySmith is an AI content creation tool that can generate high-quality product descriptions, blog posts, and ad copy. It's similar to Jasper and Copy.ai, but it's specifically tailored for e-commerce businesses. If you run an online store, CopySmith can help you create optimized product descriptions that drive conversions and improve your SEO. With its powerful features, you can quickly scale your business and boost your sales. Finally, let's talk about AI-based design tools like Canva Pro. While Canva itself isn't necessarily underrated, Canva Pro's AI-powered features like magic resize and design suggestions make it a game changer for entrepreneurs. Whether you need social media graphics, website designs, or marketing materials, Canva Pro can help you create professional-looking designs in minutes. If you're a business owner or marketer, Canva Pro can save you time and money, allowing you to focus on scaling your business while AI handles the design work. In conclusion, AI tools are a powerful way to boost productivity and increase your earning potential. Whether you're writing, designing, trading stocks, or creating digital products, these AI tools will help you work smarter, not harder. If you want to make money using AI, start incorporating these tools into your workflow today. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Gear Lab and hit the notification bell